Where's the top?
Does my makeup look just right? My hair right in place. Good morning, everybody. This is take 2 for our Free Friday Live, and we're joining you here. This morning, I'm in my bathroom in our fifth wheel, as you can see, and actually, believe it or not, this shower is actually bigger than the shower I used to have in our house. Hey, Bethany. Thanks. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is looking a bit disheveled, and makeup free. It's a makeup free zone here. It's because I'm going to show you, this is what you're going to do. Now, this is going to be the top benefits of dry brushing 2.0, because if those of you who've been following our Free Fridays for a while, you know we've already done a Free Friday Facebook Live on dry brushing, but we're going to take it up a notch. Hey, good morning, Stacy. So we're going to take it up a notch, and I'm also going to do a review of a dry brush system for you. And for those of you who didn't catch us the first time when we talked about dry brushing, we are talking about some of the same things again. So my name's Amy Miller. I'm here with you live today on our 3 Life Essentials brand page. I'm a crunchy mom. I'm a researcher of all things natural for a little over 10 years. And together with my husband, we're the founders of 3 Life Essentials. And this is our Free Friday. It's a weekly series on Fridays that we're hoping to help. We're kind of learning all together to gain freedom and experience life more fully and abundantly. And it's just a bonus if we can do this more naturally, right? Now, my family and I, we recently went on the road, and we are creating a team of people who help people with their health. And it's great because we're getting to hang out with our team members. We're getting to meet new people. And so that is where I am today. I'm coming to you from Alamogordo, New Mexico. And today we're visiting, actually, bonus to you who can comment and know what is so special about Alamogordo, New Mexico. And so kudos to those of you who joined in with me at the beginning, because you're going to find out how you can get your hands on this dry brush system from Minimal, I think is how you pronounce it, but it's a face and body brush system. So I'm giving actually this one away. So let me talk to you a little bit about this. Our family is creating a team that helps people with their health. And we like to only meet with people that we either know or who've been referred to us. And so here's where you can help us out. When you give us the names and the contact information of 3 people who may benefit from our help and from doTERRA, you'll be entered to receive this dry brushing system. Now, they don't even have to be somebody that you think will buy anything, just somebody who's nice and cares about their health, like you. Now, just one caveat, they can't be somebody who's already working with another wellness advocate, and they can't already have a membership with doTERRA. We're not in the business of taking away other people's business, okay? But that's it. 3 names and contact information. You can send them to us here in our private message here on our Facebook page, and we will draw the winner next Friday on our Free Friday Live. Even if you're watching this after the live ends, let us know if you're watching this on the replay, and we will connect with you. So today we're going to be talking about dry brushing. What is it? We're going to talk about some of the top benefits of dry brushing, briefly how to do it, and then a review of this minimal dry brushing system. So comment below if you're sick and tired of the trouble spots. The little trouble spots on your thighs. Bethany, you said you still need to get your dry brush. Definitely want to try it. Yes. Yes. Good morning, Tammy. Glad to see you joining on with us. Yeah. So, and if you have friends that are like you and would benefit from this information, share this with them. So what is dry brushing? The short of it is it's an ancient practice of stimulating your lymph system toward your heart with the goal of really helping your body's elimination system, okay? So your lymphatic system is what helps your body get rid of, in the short of it, helps your body get rid of toxins and waste, Okay. So benefit number one to dry brushing. And it's basically a tool that you use with a dry brush on dry skin. That's why they call it dry brushing. So benefit number one is your immune function. So when you're actually stimulating the lymph system, which the lymph system in your body is housed just below the skin surface. So when you stimulate it on the skin, you're actually stimulating that. And as you're helping your body rid it of toxins, you are helping your body's immune your immune system function more like it was designed to do. And so let me hear from you. Comment below with a 2 if you wish that your hormones weren't so out of whack. Anybody? I know there's somebody joining in that's like, Stacy, you said me. So stimulating that lymph flow and what that does is help circulate your hormones throughout the body. In fact, sometimes dry brushing has even been recommended by fertility experts for couples that are trying to conceive. So again, if you have friends or family that could benefit from this information, click the share button below. And because if you know somebody who's wanting to do that, this may be another added bonus in helping their body do what it's designed to do and stimulating those hormones. So just bringing more balance back into the body. Now, speaking of circulation, I always like to add essential oils to my dry brushing. And so I'll show you when I briefly kind of show you how to do it. I'll show you how you can benefit by using an oil maybe like cypress, which will also stimulate the circulation in your body, which will also help your lymph system as well. Okay, so benefit number 3 is detox. So you can imagine by now, since we're talking about your lymph system and how it helps to facilitate getting rid of the toxins in your body, how this would also help with the detoxification process in your body. And when your body doesn't have that buildup of toxins in the body, your immune system works better, you stay healthier, you don't feel so sluggish, and you don't get sick as often. So all of these, can you see how all these benefits are kind of tying in together? Okay, so benefit number 4. Good morning, Jerry. Happy Friday to you. So benefit number 4 is soft, smooth skin. Okay, so what this is going to do is when you're utilizing this on your skin, it's going to remove the dead skin cells and it's going to encourage production of new cells. So remember earlier when I was asking you about those trouble spots on the thighs? Yeah, this is going to help improve the appearance of those. In fact, this is grapefruit, which is also helpful in doing that. And so I also like to use this with the dry brushing, the grapefruit, because it also helps encourage the appearance of those trouble spots on your thighs. Okay, so benefit number 5 to the dry brushing is emotional groundedness. Now, that may sound like a little like woo-woo kind of thing, but believe it or not, dry brushing helps balance your autonomic nervous system. Basically, that means that's supporting your adrenal function by reducing stress. So if you're reducing stress, then you are more emotionally grounded and uplifted. Okay, and hello, don't we all need to reduce the stress in our lives? So let me just show you real briefly. Good morning, Brenna. And those of you who are just joining us live, make sure you go back to the beginning so you can see why I look like this and why I'm in my bathroom near the shower, and how you can get your hands on this, this dry brushing system. So let me show you just really briefly. So this is the face and body brush system from Minimal. It comes in this nice little box here. And when you open it up, it has kind of a little brief outline to how you're going to do the dry brushing system, and kind of gives you a little card. I don't know if you can see here, which directions to brush on your body, because you're going to want to brush towards your heart. It also comes with a little face brush that you can use here. And then it comes with a back loofah. And then interesting, this with one little bonus piece in here, and there's nothing in the box that says what this is or how to use it. Now, I'm assuming that it's another piece that you're going to use on your skin. But I found it interesting that there's no mention of it in this description here, or what it is or how to use it. So bonus points to you, anyone who can tell me what this is or how to use it. It feels a little bit like a kind of like a hard sea sponge. So now I have tried this system out, and I will say I like it. I will mention though that and it's very nice long handle brush. You can remove this. Maybe I might have put it on here too tightly. I can usually remove this, because then you can use it as a hand, just a hand brush, or you can use it long as you're reaching your back areas. But I will say the bristles seemed quite stiff compared to the other dry brushing system that I use. And so those with sensitive skin, you may want to choose another dry brush system. But this is very effective, and you want to choose a dry brush system that has natural bristles. You don't want something with plastic or synthetic bristles. You want them to have the natural bristles. So let me show you. Bethany said, could it be for your heels like a pumice stone? Maybe. It seems a little bit like that. I don't know. It's a little rough, but not, I almost feel like it might not be rough enough to use it on. I don't know. Maybe it is. Good guess, Bethany. Good morning, Kelly. You think that was a pumice too? Okay. So maybe that's a consensus here. So, so basically you're going to want to use this on your skin when it's dry. So, and a good time to do this is before you get in the shower. That way, when you use it on your skin, again, you're removing dead skin cells. So you can use that, and then you can wash them off in the shower itself. So, so you're basically going to want to come here. You'll start at the top. And this doesn't take too long. I know those of us who are busy, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, how could I add something to my routine? But I will tell you, even just doing this maybe 2 or 3 times a week, you'll notice a huge difference in those benefit areas that I mentioned, those 5 areas. So you can start off by using the facial one, and you'll just brush in these directions. Again, always moving towards the heart. If you want to see a more detailed description of exactly how to do the brushing, I've done that in another video on our YouTube channel. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, the number 3 Life Essentials, and you can check it out there and see a little bit more in detail. But I love, again, adding essential oils, just a few drops to your actual brush before you start the brushing. That will even add just a more enhancement to that. The ones I like are cypress, which is great for already helping with lymphatic drainage in your body and circulation. Another great one is frankincense. Again, because of its so many benefits to the skin and to your immune function as well. And then 2 others I like. And you can do a combination of these, or you can just do one of them when you do your dry brushing. But the Slim and Sassy Metabolic Blend, which is very helpful for that reducing the signs and the appearance of those trouble spots. Not that any of you guys have that, but those trouble spots on the thighs. Good morning, Sadie. Or grapefruit. And this is the oil we're also giving away with the dry brushing system here. So check out, go back to the beginning of the video if you are just joining us to see how you can get this dry brushing system along with the grapefruit. Because frankincense is fabulous. Yes, it is, Bethany. So I'm about to sign off. Don't forget to go back to the beginning, like I mentioned, to see how you can be eligible to receive the dry brushing kit from Minimal. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and found it valuable to you. Don't forget to share this with your friends who could benefit from us. If you are new to our Facebook page, or even if you're not new, you can click the subscribe button at the top right and you'll get a notification when we go live with our Free Friday segments. If you'd like to go back and review any of our Free Friday segments, you can check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that's, again, at 3 Life Essentials. So far, we've covered a variety of topics. And again, we covered the dry brushing a little bit more in detail there about how to do it. So thank you guys for allowing me to be brave and bold here and joining you with my disheveled hair and my makeup-free zone as we get ready to be pummeled by white sand, because we're headed to White Sands National Monument today. That's the key to, that's the big kicker that's in Alamogordo, New Mexico, that we're going to visit today. So we hope you guys have a great Friday, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Bye-bye.